Hello friends, today I am going to discuss the DC problem that is of lead code contest 328, and that is sort the student by their kth score. Okay, so if I just discuss about the problem description, then the problem description is like we are given an m students, and for each students we will be given n subjects. Okay, and for each subject we are given an score I j, like ith score, like ith student will have the score ij in jth subject. Okay, and what we have to do, we have to return the list of student such that the student present in the list should be in the order of from highest score to lowest score for their kth subject. Like the k will be given to us, and we have to we have to return the list of student such that the student present in the list should be in the order of from highest score to lowest score for that particular kth subject. Okay, so if I just take the example, then you can see for this particular example you can see that the student S0 will have the subject E0, E1, E2 and E3, and they will have the score 10, 6, 9, 1. Similarly, S1 will have the sum score and S2 will have the sum score. Okay, so you can see that we are given k is equal to 2. We have to sort this list according to the subject 2. Okay, and you can see that in subject 2 the student S not will S not get marks 9, and S1 gets the marks 11, and S2 got the marks 3. Okay, so so for this particular question you can see that the S1 is having the highest marks in E2 subject. Okay, so in the list so in the list the S1 will be on the top. Okay, so and the second one you can see that S0 will have the score 9. So in the list S0 will be coming at the second. Okay, and after that the S2 will be coming. Okay, so if I just move on to the coding part of this particular problem, then the coding part of this particular problem is very simple. Like we can just use the we can just use the bulletin sort function with some comparator function. Okay, if you are don't know about this custom comparator function, then you should have a read of that function. After that you can have a look to this problem. Okay, so let me just first erase this, and after that I will be moving on to the coding part of this problem. Okay, so like we have already told you what I will do. I will just sort this particular list uh, with the I have already told you that I will sort this list with some comparator function. So first let me just write the lambda function, and if you don't know about lambda function, I will be writing the comparator function for those people. Okay, so it will be taking the vector a and okay and b, and what I have to do, I have to return it. Like I have to return the list from higher score to lower score. So what I will do, I will just return AK should be greater than BK. So it will just sort this list according to the highest score to lowest score for kth subject. Okay, and we have to take this K inside the lambda expression. For that I will just use the reference operator. Okay, so after that, after this sorting function, I will just return the score that we are given. Okay, so if I just compile this off, then, and you can see that it is giving me a correct answer for this particular test case. So if I just run the example test cases, then let me see, you can see that it is giving me a correct answer for the example test cases. So if I just try to submit this off, we can see that it got accepted. So I have write down the code for this particular problem. So thank you.